Hi, I'm Darren Root, Executive Editor of CPA Practice Advisor, and I'm here again with Brad Smith, CEO of Intuit. Brad, welcome again.
Thanks, Darren. I appreciate it.
I want to talk a little bit about harmony. A lot of our audience probably doesn't know exactly what harmony means, like you do, or maybe I'm coming to understand. Can you explain to our listeners sort of what's going on with harmony, and what does that mean to Intuit and to the customer?
Yeah, I'd be happy to, Darren. Let me first start by acknowledging, as a 30-year-old company, we've been a portfolio of businesses and products. Now, those products have often worked well together, but as a customer of Intuit, you could see the organizational seams in terms of a payments team or a QuickBooks team or a payroll team. Harmony is designed to erase all of those. Harmony literally harmonizes in a seamless way the experiences between an accountant and their client using QuickBooks Online or the QuickBooks Online Accountant Edition, or between QuickBooks Online and our own products like payroll and payments, or even third-party apps. It is designed to make it simple to start, easy to use, and impossible to outgrow. It is probably the single biggest product release we've put out in over a decade.
So from our listeners' perspective, we're talking about QuickBooks Online Accountant,
Yes.
QuickBooks Online, Intuit Tax Online, Intuit Practice Management. That sort of makes up the core of Harmony right now, and then that extends across all payment solutions and payroll and everything else, right?
It does. In fact, we're calling this entire suite for the accountant the virtual office.
Okay.
It's the ability for you to manage the money in, money out transactions and work with your client, and then be able to manage your practice much more effectively, whether it's the workflow between you and your other partners, or it's the ability for you to manage the transactions that you're personally responsible for and do it in a way that's completely integrated and seamless. And the magic is, press a button at the end on the accounting transaction and it goes right into a tax return if you actually happen to do taxes, and your taxes are done.
So it's that seamless data flow. You know, from an accountant's perspective, the virtual office is sort of a dream for all of us to be able to work anywhere we want, whenever we want, however we want, and from any device.
Yeah.
And so that's what I'm pretty excited about.
Well, we are too. The cloud is here. We recognize that. Many, many more consumers and small businesses are comfortable with that. 45 million of Intuit's 60 million customers use our cloud-based offerings today, and that revolution is now happening in the accounting profession, and I'm proud to say that our team has a suite that we believe is second to none.
What I find interesting is that this is not new to Intuit. You got your core business is mostly based in the cloud at this point. Isn't that true?
Oh, it's more than true. In fact, this is one of those misnomers. When you've been around for 3 decades, people remember you as a DOS-based company, a PC-based Windows company, and a company that really did well in both areas, and we did. But we moved to the cloud back in 1998, 1999. We built cloud-based versions of all of our products. Okay. In 2008, we made it the center or the cornerstone of our strategy, and as I mentioned, 45 million of our 60 million customers now use our cloud-based offerings.
Wow, that's awesome, Brad. You're doing a great job.
Thank you very much, Darren. I appreciate it.